Next, please. So why should we talk a lot about screen time, media exposure, and everything? That is mainly because um, there is lot of increase in the addiction cases, lot of increase in the cyber crime. There is lot of happening around the world, and we every day read one or second incidents. कहीं ना कहीं हम कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते ही रहते हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चों की नॉट ओनली मेंटल हेल्थ बट डेवलपमेंट भी अफेक्ट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द स्क्रीन टाइम. सो नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. या. सो जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल सिनेरियो, इज इट समथिंग रियली स्कैरी एंड are we going to face it as a challenge and do we have enough concept about all these things. ये भी इतना ही जानना जरूरी होता है. And as a parent now it is more important than किसी भी डॉक्टर से ज्यादा पेरेंट को, बिकॉज अगर पेरेंट अवेयर है तो आप बच्चों के साथ 24 आवर्स हो, देन इट इज वेरी इजी कि हम एक्चुअल इम्पैक्ट ला सके बाय रिड्यूसिंग स्क्रीन टाइम. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Okay, so if you see next three slides, then you will be able to realize that there is exponential increase, बहुत ज्यादा increase है in the uses of Facebook, या तो Instagram या Twitter और whatever आप जो भी देखो उसमें there is exponential increase in the users in last 5 to 10 years, and that too after this corona time. last 2 years में तो इतना ज्यादा इंक्रीज हुआ है कि इवन बिकॉज स्कूल भी स्क्रीन स्क्रीन पे है, टीवी पे है, तो वी कैन नॉट इवन से कि आप स्क्रीन टाइम अलाउ रिड्यूस करो, स्क्रीन तो अलाउ करना ही पड़ेगा. सो नेक्स्ट 3-4 स्लाइड्स प्लीज. सो जैसे यूट्यूब है, इंस्टाग्राम है, कहीं पे भी आप देखो, सो दे आर, बट कहीं पे भी there is exponential increase and kids are actually addicted. So if you see this slide, next please. Next please. हाँ, अगर they have to choose between internet and water, they will choose internet rather than water. It is that much severe now. Next please. Next. Okay, there are so many studies हुए हैं कि जहाँ पे we see that because of internet, because of screen, there are a lot of side effects happening. We have seen there are a lot of physical as well as mental effects in the students of the college going students. Next. और वो इतने ज्यादा है कि जहाँ पे जो प्री यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं, दे हैव आईज में स्ट्रेन होते हैं, स्लीप डिस्टर्बेंसेस होती है, एंड स्लीप डिस्टर्बेंसेस आर सो हाई दैट दे कैन नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट, देन दे बिकम एडिक्टेड टू सम अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Okay, so there was a study in Bangalore also which showed that कि subject के साथ there was lot of side effects of this. Next, please. Next, please. Next slide, please. Okay, so when we talk about all these things, yeah, आपने अगर ये वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पे देखी होगी शायद कि जहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, हार्डली 7-8 मंथ्स का, एंड वो बच्चे से अगर आप वीडियो ले लेते हो, मोबाइल ले लेते हो, एंड वो बच्चा ही क्राइज लाइक एनीथिंग, एंड एज सुन एज यू रिटर्न द मोबाइल, बच्चा शांत हो जाता है. सो एडिक्शन इज नॉट ओनली एट द प्रिमिटिव एजेस, एट द एडोलेसेंट एजेस, बट एडिक्शन इज सीन इवन एट द 1 year of age जो बच्चा होता है उसमें भी देखा जाता है. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज एडिक्शन? एडिक्शन एक्चुअली क्या है? जब हम एडिक्शन एज अ सब्सटेंस की बात करते हैं कि जैसे अल्कोहल है या तो ड्रग्स है, तो वो एडिक्शन इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. जब हम वो सब्सटेंस लेते हैं एंड देन वी गेट द इफेक्ट. इंटरनेट इज अ प्रोसेस एडिक्शन. हमें पता भी नहीं चलता कि कब एडिक्ट हो जाता है बच्चा, एंड बाय द टाइम वी रियलाइज इट इज टू लेट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट. There was this case कि जहाँ पे एक mother came to us and she said that my child is only 3.5 years of age and that child is not able to um, uh, play with games, or and mother thought that it can be a screen addiction. And really when we evaluated we could make it out कि हाँ this is because of screen addiction, and then we actually had to give the training for that. So it is a high time then we become aware about this, we um, face the problem and understand the consequences. Next. So जब हम कहते हैं कि screen time, it is the time to screen. Next. um, so what includes screen? Next please. This is a video I was talking कि जहाँ पे बच्चा, हाँ, so screen time can be anything. It can be television, it can be computer, it can be iPad or whatever. So whenever we talk of screen time, it is not just the phone, it includes each and every screen. So what is wrong, right? So what we must understand is this screen or the world which they are actually living in, it is not the real world. The kids understand that this is the real world and they cannot differentiate. So when they are living with this screen world, they have no capacity to differentiate, and then they live in that false world, and that eventually lead to a lot of problems. At the same time, we know that the young age, the first 5 years, is the most important years of development. And if it is not taken care of during those developmental years, the development suffers immensely. So these are the 5 years when you should be working with the kids. तो यही 5 साल हमारे पास सबसे ज्यादा है. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. तो सही में क्या सिचुएशन है? जैसे पेरेंट्स के लिए फियर हमेशा रहता है. हम कहते हैं कि पहले के जमाने में था कि सबको लगता था कि टीवी इडियट बॉक्स है, एंड देन देयर वाज डिबेट्स कि जहाँ पे कहते थे टीवी से फायदा भी है. देन द ईयर केम दैट पीपल स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट की मूवीज है, they do not present the actual social picture, but actually it can lead to many problems. Then there came internet. So right now we are living in the age कि जहाँ पे हम internet के बारे में worried है. Parents are worried about internet. So is it really so? Next. पर the problem is कि हम कब तक ये solve करें जब हम खुद victim हैं. अगर parents खुद victim है तो वो किस तरह से बच्चों को advise कर सकते हैं. Now ये when we are talking about today's era and when we say of screen time, next please, what we must understand that everything comes with its positive as well as negative effects. So it is not only कि screen is bad always. There are a lot of positive effects also, and we must understand what are the positive effects of it, because every time saying that the TV is not good for you, mobile is not good for, is not going to work. So what are the positive effects of media? Next please. फॉर एडोलेसेंट मैं कहूंगी कि इंटरनेट ही है कि जहाँ पे उनकी बातें होती है, उनका सर्कल है, उनका ग्रुप है. वट एवर एक्टिविटी इज हैपनिंग इज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और ऑन फेसबुक और वट एवर. तो अगर बच्चा वहां पे नहीं है तो शायद वो अकेला है. अगर उसने बंद कर दिया है टू बी ऑन इंटरनेट, यू मस्ट रूल आउट कि अगर वो कहीं पे प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है कि ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज ग्रुप, है ना. सो again there are so many activities, media का exposure मिलता है. So at young age they learn to explore the whole world. So that way अगर आप देखो तो there are बहुत सारी positive effects भी है. And I must say कि अगर ये इंटरनेट नहीं होता, स्क्रीन नहीं होता, तो ड्यूरिंग कोरोना टाइम इट वुड बी नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल टू मेक देम स्टडी. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी कुड कनेक्ट विद द वर्ल्ड एंड वी कुड कंटिन्यू देयर स्टडीज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स तो है ही है, but there are a lot of harmful effects. Next please. And when we talk of physical harmful effects, starting from eye to spine to visual problems से लेकर and they have backaches, neck strain, migraine हो जाता है, continuous headache, खेच जिसको एपिलेप्सी सीजर बोलते हैं उसके परसेंटेज भी बढ़ जाते हैं. But next please, what is more worrisome is the mental side. Next please. जो मेंटल साइड इफेक्ट्स होती है, साइको सोशल इश्यूज होते हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ केसेस ऑफ साइबर बुलिंग, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, एडीएचडी. सो अगर आप इन सब से बचना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आई वुड से कि हमें स्क्रीन टाइम को रिड्यूस करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Okay, so if you open the internet and if you look for memes, you will get thousands of beautiful memes which are there, which you can share with your kids. It has got great small messages which actually make child understand कि क्या क्या हम कर सकते हैं, है ना. So next please. Now मुझे I just want to talk little bit about this excessive screen time. What happens is बच्चों के साथ when they are studying in online classes, they are doing at the same time they are doing texting with their friends, at the same time they are eating also, so they do multitasking, they waste a lot of time playing on the game, and there is a reduction in real life context. So as we discussed earlier, that they don't understand what is real life and what is virtual life. Next please. एट द सेम टाइम लर्निंग बहुत कम हो जाता है. स्पेल चेक हर एक ऐप में होता है, ग्रामर चेक हर एक ऐप में होता है. सो दे एक्चुअली डोंट थिंक कि एक्चुअल क्या स्पेलिंग है या तो, है ना. सो दैट वे देयर ब्रेन रिड्यूसेस द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्लीज. And as we know that there are a lot of hazards of social media, which at today we will not go in detail of this. We will have further sessions because this is a series of 4 webinars. So we will discuss in detail in the future webinars. Next, please. Okay. So parents क्या कर सकते हैं? What parents can do? What is most important is parents has to be media wise. सिंपली अगर आप बुक पढ़ते हो तो बच्चा बुक पढ़ेगा, आप मोबाइल पे हो तो बच्चा मोबाइल पे होगा. इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. एट द सेम टाइम जो बेसिक थिंग्स है कि थोड़े यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रोएक्टिव. यू हैव टू सी कि व्हाट इज द स्क्रीन टाइम. बहुत बहुत सारे फोन्स में तो नाउ एक्चुअली यू कैन सी कि स्क्रीन टाइम कितना हो रहा है. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू कैन really see कि कितना screen time हुआ है, and depending on that you can try to reduce the screen time. um, you have to explain your kids about the potential hazards of the social media, potential hazards of the screen time, increase in the screen time. At the same time थोड़े थोड़े छोटे छोटे चेंजेस कर सकते हैं कि जैसे कंप्यूटर है या तो टीवी है वो कॉमन एरिया में हो, उसके बेडरूम में टीवी ना हो, सो दैट आपको पता हो कि उसका स्क्रीन टाइम क्या चल रहा है. सो एज सून एज ही गोज इन हिज बेडरूम देयर इज नो एक्सेस टू एनी स्क्रीन. इतना हम कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नाउ सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग जो है वो है कि शेयरिंग बहुत कम हो गया है पेरेंट्स के साथ. सो देयर वाज अ स्टडी डन जहाँ पे किड्स वेर एक्सपोज टू साइबर बुलिंग intentionally, and what was shocking that hardly 1 of the 10 kids actually shared this thing with their parents. So जब तक हम बात नहीं करेंगे kids will not open up and they will not share whatever is happening in their life. Next please. So what is most important is we parents must learn to strengthen the relationship. और ये कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि चलो अब मेरा बच्चा एडोलेसेंट एज पे हुआ है, पहुंचा है और अब मैं फ्रेंडली हो जाता हूँ. यू मस्ट स्टार्ट विद यंगर एज. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो when we talk of so many recommendations and so many screen time reduction, so what is the ideal recommendation? According to WHO, what they say that is up to 2 years ideally there should be no exposure to screen. In if at all अगर आपको चाहिए तो मेक इट अप टू 1 hour, एंड वो भी जहाँ पे जरूरी हो, इट इज नेसेसरी, और it has to be quality exposure to the screen. And in between 2 to 5 years, WHO again says कि a maximum 1 hour a day, that too again with the high quality learning. Now when we say that reduce to 1 hour for 5 up to 5 years of kids, So what are you supposed to do then? How do we keep our kids busy? So simply we can plan few activities throughout the day कि जहाँ पे there is lot of physical activities is going on, जहाँ पे outdoor games हो, indoor games, board games हो. So we have to go to like back to basics is what is required. And generally what we have seen during parenting session is that parents forget that they have kids and they should actually enjoy their childhood, kids childhood. Instead of that they are more into the race thing, and they forget that they can actually enjoy with kids. So it is very important कि आप खुद बच्चों के साथ कुछ क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेयर करें instead of engaging them in some or other activity or classes, so that that bondage is there, and then we can talk about reducing screen time. Next please. Now जब हम healthy screen time का बात करते हैं, whenever we talk about how do we approach for the screen time, so what is ideal, even if there is a screen का exposure है because of the school or because of whatever reason, how do we identify that it is a जो भी है वो required है कि उससे ज्यादा है. So एक तो बच्चा enough sleep लेता है कि नहीं. Sleep hygiene also we are going to focus in further future webinars, but most important we must think that whether the sleep is enough or not. बच्चा physically healthy है कि नहीं. Obesity is very very common when there is a screen exposure. जब बढ़ जाता है because बच्चा inactive हो जाता है, तो eventually it leads to obesity. Then स्कूल में ग्रेड्स क्या हो रहे हैं बच्चे के. इफ देयर इज डिटेरियोरेटिंग स्कूल ग्रेड, स्कूल परफॉर्मेंस अलग कम हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ स्क्रीन टाइम, देन दैट इज आल्सो अलार्मिंग साइन. देन बच्चा फैमिली के साथ कनेक्ट होता है. व्हेन यू आस्क देम टू कम एंड प्ले, इज ही रेडी फॉर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड, and whatever the content child is exposed to, it is normal or not. Like you must consider whether the content is good enough or not. Next please. क्वालिटी स्क्रीन टाइम में व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज कि यू शुड नो कि एक्चुअली बच्चा देखता क्या है. हाउ कैन वी नो? सो इफ वी सिट विद द किड एंड एक्चुअली सी कि वॉट एवर द प्रोग्राम ही इज सीइंग, and when then we can actually explain also ki, the difference between real world and actual the virtual world, because sometimes kids do not understand that these things do not happen in real life. So this is I would like to share one case of a child. So he must have seen in this movie that there was a man with a mask, and he came and abducted a young child. Now he has seen this thing in his that was kind of बच्चों वाला ही कुछ गेम था program. Now this corona thing came, and now everybody were in masks. So the problem was child was not ready to go outside, that he thought that the people with mask will abduct me. So if you sit with a child and you explain that this is a virtual world and in real worlds these are the things generally don't happen, right? So it is very important कि आप बच्चों से बात करें, उनके साथ बैठ के देखें. Next please. Okay, what is more important in older kids, because we don't have screen guidelines for older kids. 5 years के बाद you have to have a restricted use, but ऐसा कुछ कहा नहीं गया है कि 5 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा whatever is the age, whatever is the time limit. So you have to set the reasonable time limit. Then as I said that you have to prioritize, you have to structure the playtime, and at the same time you also have to eliminate the background TV. You have to remove the TV from the bedroom. So these are the important things which has to be kept in mind. Next please. Now this is a word which I love, which is digital literacy. What I feel is कि जहाँ पर digital media की बात आती है, most of the parents are illiterate. So even if graduate people, when we talk about ki, we have heard this sentence so many times that I am not good in the phone things, but if you give this to my child, he will open any app and he will do this and immediately he will do that. So parents feel proud about that I don't know anything and my kid is knowing. So I think that if you are digitally illiterate, you cannot literate your child. So it is also very important to be digitally literate. So I think my take home message for anything is, of course, we need to reduce the screen time, but at the same time, we also have to be digitally literate parent. That is most important. Next. So my simple take home message is, it is high time that we screen the child screen time, because that is the only way we can focus about their mental and developmental health. Otherwise, we will have a set of kids who are weak in communication, who are obese, who are physically not fit. Right. So this is it. Thank you. I hope this will help and help to reduce the screen time of your kids. Thank you. So with this, now I hand over this the next session and welcome Dr. Sunil sir. Dr. Sunil Godbole is a developmental pediatrician working at Pune, and he will be taking our next sessions of and moderating the next session, which is online to offline learning. Welcome, Dr. Sunil sir.
Yeah, so thank you all, but I won't leave Amola madam right now. She has got a question to answer before we start our next journey. Amola madam, there is a question from the grandparents. So from a grandparent's perspective, they feel that their grandchildren learn more and faster than their parents when they were at the age of 4 to 5. This screen time is helping the children better than the previous generation. Why should we restrict that? Doesn't it matter that only content matters more than the time? That's a grandparent's question.
That's a beautiful question, and we all feel that whatever we were knowing it, maybe when we passed 12th or when we passed our graduation, our kids maybe they know far more than what we were knowing. So even same thing we feel for the younger age group also, say 5 years. So we feel actually like changing the milestones kind of thing. Now, what is important is what learning is one process, but at the same time, when we talk of learning, it is always about the theoretical knowledge. We never talk about the learning of communication. We never talk about learning of social skills. We never. So this is a very common scenario. If you will see 5 kids sitting of say 8 to 10 years, they all will be on mobile. And they will hardly talk in between. So, of course, they have a lot of knowledge. So that learning is good. But development and learning is not only all about the cognition or the or what we can say is the theoretical learning. It is far beyond that. So it is not only physical or psychological side effects of the increased screen time, but as I said, there is a lot of issues happening right now with the communication rather than the learning.
Great. So I think what Madam is suggesting as an answer is that learning is not equal to knowledge. It is much more than that. I can dominatingly say that it must be something related to life skills rather than only knowledge. So knowledge added with all other experiences to the child, and incomplete child will become the experience. And for that, only screen is not enough. I will end this session with Amola madam with a interesting bit. I heard from a parent that screen ko parda bolte Hindi mein. So screen is a parda between the child and the rest of the world. And ये पर्दा कभी ना कभी उठना चाहिए. So let's open up that parda and go ahead with the next debate with a very eminent star people over here. I will like to introduce each one of them. Dr. Nandita Chatterjee. Thank you, Amola madam. And I want you to be with us because we may be asking certain questions to you. So Nandita madam, she's a professor and head of the department, MGM Medical College, and she's director of Vidhvas CDC and a very experienced person in this field. And I'm very happy that she's over here. Welcome, madam. The second star for the today's debate is Dr. Priyanka Jain from Delhi. She's a senior consultant from Dharam. Where is madam? हाँ ऐसी हाँ। तो शी इज सीनियर कंसल्टेंट फ्रॉम धर्मशिला नारायण हॉस्पिटल न्यू दिल्ली। वो सीनियर लगती नहीं बट वो सीनियर है, हमें पता है। हाँ, सो शी इज फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली एंड शी इज अ मेंबर ऑफ द डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट कमिटी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। तो इनसे समझ के रहना चाहिए। सो दैट इज प्रियंका मैडम। अनुराग कटियार, ये बंदा डेवलपमेंटल पीडियाट्रिशियन, यंग एंड एनर्जेटिक पर्सन फ्रॉम आशियाना मेडिकल सेंटर लखनऊ, and he's been quite a bit popular with his parents for his counseling techniques. And obviously, the top of the cake is Dr. Anjana Thadani. She is the national chairperson of GDPP, and we want her to be like that for many years. But for the time, she is the national chairperson with us. She is a consultant developmental pediatrics in the Niramay Clinic at Mumbai, Chembur, and as well as Lucknow. So she is covering two important areas at the same time. I only remember our Prime Minister doing so at two different places. So I welcome Dr. Anjana with that note.